Meaning of easterly.
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 Easterly. Easterly refers to something that is located, directed, or moving towards the east. It is often used to describe wind or ocean currents that blow or flow from the east. These easterly winds can have significant impacts on weather patterns and climate in different regions of the world. For example, the trade winds in the tropics are easterly winds that blow towards the west, and they play a critical role in shaping weather patterns in this area. Additionally, easterly ocean currents can affect marine life and shipping routes in various parts of the world.